Welcome to JH. In this guide, we are going to resolve the common problem where Steam games do not fit your screen correctly. This issue can be quite annoying, but we will fix it together in just a few moments. Start by opening your File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by searching for it in the Start menu. Once the window appears, navigate to this PC. You will see your available drives there. Click on the Windows C drive to proceed. Inside the C drive, look for the folder named Program Files x86 and open it to view your installed apps. Now, find the Steam folder and click to enter it. From there, you need to head into the Steam Apps directory, which is the central hub for your game data. Once inside Steam Apps, open the Common folder. This is the location where all your Steam games are kept. Find the specific game that is having display issues and open its folder. Look for the main application file, which usually has the game's logo or icon. Right-click on this executable and select Properties from the menu. This opens a new window with several different tabs. Click on the Compatibility tab to access the necessary settings. First, locate the option to disable display scaling on high DPI settings and ensure it is checked. This stops Windows from incorrectly adjusting the game's visuals based on your monitor settings. Next, check the box to run this program as an administrator. Granting admin rights can solve many display and scaling inconsistencies. You should also check the box to enable the program to work with OneDrive files, especially if your game data is synced with the cloud. After selecting these, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Finally, close all windows and launch your Steam client. Open the game again to see if the display problem is fixed. By following these steps carefully, your game should now fit your screen perfectly. Your scaling issues should now be a thing of the past. Thank you for watching and happy gaming.